Say hi, guys. I'm recording.
Hi.
Hey, that's Zoe, by the way, peoples. And that's Shannon, and I'm not gonna show you me yet.
Okay, I'm on the bottom. That's Yoshi.
Oh yeah, Zoe's Daisy, by the way.
Oh my god. I'm already in it. Oh,
What is happening to you? Going the wrong way. Oh, you fell. You see that? She just fell.
I'm like that's gonna be nice too.
Mm-hmm.
Plus the freaking person out me.
You're doing really bad today.
Yeah, I know.
Nice. So you guys are humiliating yourselves already.
I think I'm 6 already.
Dude, you had the bullet. How far behind were you?
At least now I'm driving more stably.
Yeah.
No.
No, but did you just fall off?
No, it was finished. No.
Bowser's Castle.
I hate Bowser's Castle.
I know, same.
I suck. I hate fun. I don't like this. I like the original N64. You actually had a joystick. Right? You had a joystick. It's so easy. You see that? Yeah.
Alright, so Eji is now Yoshi.
I don't get how you guys eat the food. Oh my god. What is
Eji is failing already.
I don't like this.
Nice.
I'm not
Beautiful. Oh!
I'm not live. Or never mind. No, I just said. What the hell? So scared.
Oh, you got another bullet.
Yay! It just come back.
Look at the map.
Leave me alone. Don't die now. Don't die. Oh god, you gotta kill me.
How many movies? I mean.
Come on! You gotta kill me. What? Did you see that? Dude!
That was hilarious.
That was horrid.
Yeah, it's just you, Shannon. So Shannon's back on the bottom.
Oh my god.
Zoe has yet to be defeated.
Hey, I'm 10.
Yeah, but you lost. Well, you lost once. I lost once. And Yoshi technically lost twice. So, I got a bullet. Nice. You just like attacked them. I thought you were gonna fall in that crack. Nice jump. Yeah, I don't know what to say about you, Shannon. Hysterical.
5th, I think. I was 5th. I was a good.
You're almost done. Go, go.
Really? Oh.
Yeah, you were right there. Oh my god, you see that? She didn't finish.
I like games, but I'm so bad at them. It's just kind of an oxymoron. How do you guys do those moves?
It's not hard.
Obviously, I don't know.
I love the ones where it's like the big tunnel, like Maple Tree Way.
Oh,
Something like that.
I don't know why I did that. Oh my god.
Maybe I should just focus in on Yoshi. Just for rage quit. No, we need the top half to know how to actually play the game.
Oh, did you see that? I don't know what happened.
I saw Zoe's cool jump, not yours.
I hate this place. So much. No, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Come on.
You have to hit somebody.
I know. I'm trying to get that rose bullet. Yes. See that?
Go, 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 go.
I'm going. Bowser, I'm gonna beat you. No, I'm not.
Nope. First time anyone finished for Yoshi. Poor Yoshi.
I feel so bad for Yoshi. Is he last? Yeah.
It seems easy, but for some reason I always fail. Yeah.
Really? Oh, like when I first started playing it, I like drive on the walls and I go like backwards. I'm like, what happened?
Fail. See, I don't get how you get those boosts. Oh. Well then. I always keep one of the turtle shells with me.
Okay,
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah. Zoe's 11th? What?
Oh my gosh. What?
You're 3rd. Nice. Keep it up.
Oh,
Never. Oh, there we go. Come on, come on. Oh. Yeah. Forget what I just said. Fail. What is that? It's not a shortcut. It's not a shortcut if you're slowing down. Hey, Zoe's behind you. What happened?
What? Oh no.
Oh no, she's right there. Ah! Obviously, she has much better control.
No, really.
I hate the munchkins.
Munchkin?
They're not even called munchkins.
Mushroom?
The mushrooms.
Or like whatever.
Oompa, I don't know what they're called. Loompas. I didn't mean that. I don't know, what are they called? I like suddenly forgot. No, the Chupa Koopas are like the turtles. What are they called?
Yeah, they're like. Oh.
Fail. Oh my gosh, you're 4th. Keep it up.
I was second. And then I won it. Don't die.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Fail. You still
That's
finished.
better than you ever done.
Go away.
Beat me, try Bowser. And I didn't get the boost yet again. Stop bumping into me. Jesus. Oh my god. Feeling that if I were to drive for real, I'd kill myself.
Well, if you drove for real, you probably wouldn't be driving so fast.
Yeah, I know, right? I like don't take my finger off A ever. Oh my god, don't.
I know, like I never use brake, which is probably why I fall off.
HCL is awesome. Oh, what the heck?
Oh!
What?
That was perfect placement for whoever did that.
Yeah, I know. Feeling like a soy. Look at that shit. Oh, what?
What just
I
happened?
have no clue. Anybody? Oh shit.
Nice. That like one cloud guy has his work cut out. Always like picking us up. Yeah.
Because you didn't have a controller.
Well, I mean, when I did have controllers, I didn't play it either. I just don't play games by myself.
Well, you don't really have single player games.
Well, I mean, this can be single player. I don't know. I just don't really play games a lot.
You just troll, goddamn.
Yeah, like I watch movies and like stuff like that. Is she? Oh my gosh!
Oh my
Daisy's
god!
about to pass you.
Why would you go down? No!
Oh!
Hey.
Lapped.
I just got laughed. It's fucking ridiculous.
Are you only on lap 3?
Yeah. I kept on falling.
What's Daisy on? Like 5 now?
I think she just finished.
Oh.
She keeps bumping into me. Quit it. Did you just fall off? What happened? Why are you black? No, she was, wasn't she?
Daisy Latoya.
What is up with you and Latoya? I don't get it.
It showed like one of those boost accelerating things.
Yeah, I still didn't get the boost.
Do you know how to do it?
Apparently not.
You just press the.
Then he had
You
two.
press it, yeah.
Oh shit, I fell.
Come on, run people over. Go, go, go. Oh. What happened? Break, 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 break. No, oh, yes.
I was about to call Millipede.
Yep, that right there was Natalie Portman's husband.
Oh shit! Shit! Dude, I made it!
I really.
have a freaking grandma on this list. It's ridiculous.
Oh.
As you write, it's just what the fudge? What? I didn't need that stinking boost. What?
That was brilliant.
I didn't need that stinking boost. What was that? Oh my freaking! I hate it. I don't like this game.
Oh, this is hilarious.
No, it's not. It's absolutely horrid.
Hey, now you got the bullet.
Yes. Yeah, I'm trying to do. Yay!
Nice. Oh, we're not last?
Are we?
Nice.
Yeah.